How to disable or enable memory section in Google Photos. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Photos. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on your profile on top right corner of your screen. Then go to Photo Settings. In here, click on Preferences, which is the third option. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on Memories. In Memories, click on Memory Types. If you want to disable it, simply turn off time-based memories, themed memories, and photos shared with you. And if you want to enable it, simply click on it again. It will show you blue color. And this is how to disable or enable memory section in Google Photos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.